Cool.
Oh, man.
This Facebook page is dedicated to reckless eating. And here are 30 of the most cursed posts. Reckless eating. Is this like combinations of food that you shouldn't combine?
Yeah.
Like ice cream and
Like,
beer?
was it Blurst?
Yeah.
Reddit?
Yeah. If you have a weak stomach, you may want to avert your eyes now. But if you're a adventurous eater, this piece may be right up your alley. Reckless eating, the new trend. Are you a reckless eater or?
Yeah, I would say I'm a reckless eater.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. Number 1, Gingerbread House. Some people have a gingerbread house. I have a Pizza Hut. That's definitely cursed. I don't want anything to do with it. Yeah. I don't want anything to do with that. The shape.
You don't want a slice?
No, the shape of it bothers me quite a bit. I had this delicious omelet this morning. I seasoned the eggs with sugar, oil, and chocolate and threw in a little flour.
Just made a cake.
An omelet cake.
When your sins are just too many. Oh, that's the holy.
Yeah, it's bread, right?
Wafers?
That's communion. Yeah, communion toast crunch. Oh my God.
Is that wine?
That's wine.
I mean, it's definitely meant to look like wine for sure.
Eating it like cereal?
Yeah. Nice try, Mom. Wow.
This is actually well made.
The healthy version of the Big Mac and fries, but it's
the
actually
fries got me.
Well, actually, those apple fries would be pretty good. The burger one looks like a lot of work, but the apple one I feel like is probably doable. Right? You just carve out the apple, cut the fries in there. You can do that.
Make a little M.
Oh, don't you dare. A tomato and its grandpa. Mo.
These are so funny. They're like puns,
so
like
saggy.
picture puns.
Yeah. I hear you. My gummy vitamins melted together, so I'm just going to take a bite out of this every day instead of letting them go to waste. I don't know if you want to take a whole bite. And also, if it melted together in the plastic container, I don't know how good of an idea that is. Oh, we can't be doing that. No, we can't be doing that. Because there's residue in there. There's residue in there.
Deodorant, Gatorade.
I feel like you can't completely clean that. He has a deodorant stick that's been emptied out, Old Spice, and then he makes it frozen Gatorade.
And it's blue.
Pop.
And it's blue.
A Gatorade pop. It's probably delicious. It's just a container, right? You've barely touched your Sonic limited edition curry. Ooh. No thanks. Just can't be blue. That's it.
Deep blue.
Simple rules here. Food in the shower. Nope. No dice.
Have you guys ever done
just
this?
Wait.
The Budweiser I'm kind of okay with.
Well, my friends have said there's a thing called a beer shower, or it's what you do for have a hangover cure.
Just have a beer in the shower.
In the morning.
Oh, okay.
The beer doesn't bother me as much. I feel like you can kind of contain it, but the nuggets just
With the dipping sauce.
the nuggets and
open
dipping
dipping
just
sauce.
sitting on the. I mean, let's please not do that one. Shrek onion flavored milk chocolate. Get the hell out of here. No way.
There's multiple flavors.
There's
apparently.
more back there.
No way. No, thank you. And cotton candy covered pickle.
Oh.
All right. Okay. Not as bad as it looks.
this.
Not as bad as it looks. This is sushi, but instead it's a hot dog on the inside. But you still have the rice and the wrapper. And ice cream chicken sandwich. Doable. Totally doable.
Yeah.
Totally doable. It's
You
like
gotta
chicken.
eat it fast, though.
It's like chicken and waffles. It's
Yeah,
just sweet. Yeah, it's
Savory.
not a problem at all.
Bacon Oreos.
That's not bad.
Oreos in a blanket.
Yeah, it's probably all right. It's probably all right.
It's like
This is the a
No.
meal on a Caesar.
I don't get down with that. Shout out Day Life Stream has a question for Will, by the way.
Okay.
Is your love for Oats the reason you named Otis?
might be one reason.
Yeah. Because you've been milking the oats recently.
By hand.
Oh, I still got to get that together.
The
milk test.
The milk test.
Yeah.
The great milk test of 2022. Caesar salad with no lettuce. That's disgusting.
Quietly, that's disgusting. This took me a
That's pretty
second to
efficient.
understand.
Bo.
No, no.
Pita bread as the mass and
No.
stuffing the
No.
mass with meat in the
Oh
mouth.
man.
No.
Funny though.
No.
I can get with that.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
No,
Why?
I would try
Spam
it.
in the cookie.
Have you guys done spam anywhere?
I've done spam.
Yeah,
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it good?
it is good.
Everybody
I avoid
in
it
the
all
chat.
costs,
Yeah, no. Listen, I don't know. It's probably anything is fine. If I'm starving, I'm doing all of it. So
Right.
whatever. But
Yeah.
yeah, sure. Fries and hot dogs on a pizza. Yeah, I don't care. It's hard to do a pizza wrong.
That's true.
Will, how many do you have here? 1,000? Like, what are we doing here?
Is it 30, Mo?
It's 40. So I
40, I think.
40? Okay,
I
let's
think.
cut it off
I mean,
in,
I think we get the idea that and for those that want to follow up, they can go through the entire bunch.
Yeah, boardpanda.com.
And you
Weird
can-
food.
All the
Reckless
cursed, all the reckless eating.
Okay, fine.